Hello and welcome to another update video about Cosmos Atom. Last few days I showed you where I do expect the price to go, and we had here on the Cosmos chart my sell target area, or my target area for this wave B. And let's just take a look at where we are now. So obviously we came up in an impulse here, like many other cryptos, from July all the way up to September. We then started to correct, to sell off. And we, in my view, came down in a wave A. I think we're now in a wave B, which means that as per the Elliott wave method, there is another leg of a sell-off coming in a wave C. Yeah. And to understand why I put my target area up there, let's take a look at the retracement levels. And you can see that this area is sitting between the 0.786 and the 0.887 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, I did tell you that the price could go higher all the way up to the all-time high, and it would still be a wave B. It could even overshoot it a little bit. An overshooting wave B is possible, but it didn't. Yeah, it did come, well, perfectly. It didn't overshoot it perfectly all the way to the all-time high. And then, pretty much as expected, there was a very strong reaction. And together with Bitcoin's sell-off today, we saw the price dropping much further. So there was an initial reaction, and the price came down all the way to the support level of my target area, which is at the same time the 0.786 Fib level at 39.46. And then we dropped with Bitcoin's drop all the way down to the 0.618 Fib level at $35. We even came down a little bit lower since then because Bitcoin recovered, Cosmos recovered as well. But we are not back in the target area. Yeah, so it might be that we are now retesting this Fib level, this target area, this 0.786 Fib level at $39.46 from below. And that would indicate if that retest is successful, this could then push the price down lower. So what you see here, we came down, did go through the Fib level significantly. Biggest red candle, I'm struggling to find a red candle until back in December, early in December, in that other sell-off that we had already. And yeah, found support. Now retesting this, you can see the white line here and the retest. That is the retest of the 0.786 Fib level. If that retest is successful, we are going to go down further, I think. Yeah. Yes, there is a chance we could push through here and then go to all-time highs. The chance exists. In that case, the wave B would be invalidated. Yeah. But in my view, this is going to play out, especially with Bitcoin's weak structure here. And now the forecasted latest move that in my view is going to play out like that. Down, up, down into the yellow target area between 20 and 29K. That would then take Cosmos down into this target area, in my view, the wave A target area, and that is based on the Fibonacci levels, but from the other side, you know, from the impulsive side, because this is a retracement, a wave C retracement, and in this retracement, I do expect the price to go. Just need to second, just these levels correctly. Yeah, there you go. And this is the target area, sitting between the 0.887 Fib level at $12 and the area just starting below the wave A at $19.90. If you think about Bitcoin would drop another, well, 50%, then from 38 to $19, that's pretty much a 50% for Cosmos as well. Chances are, as an altcoin, it's going to drop even more. And that would be a final sell-off that would be required to complete that correction that has started, and from there on we can then move to new all-time highs. And in my view, we can then expect in the next wave up at least the $67 level, the 1.618 extension, all the way up to the 81 level. So I think this is the target area for the next wave. What you then get is a wave 4 and a wave 5 to the upside. So it's not over then yet. So this is an ABC, after which you see an impulse to the upside that would overshoot the previous all-time high. But we need to be patient. These would be great buying areas. I've got my buy orders set for Cosmos Atom and can't wait. can't wait. The daily shows, as expected, we were overbought here. We saw retracement. As I said, when you get overbought, you get close to a retracement. It was very obvious because you were getting here to the into the all-time high area. Not quite, but you were pushing all the way up. In my view, clear ABC correction. Now again, I could be wrong. These are only probabilities. But yeah, we saw us being overbought on the daily. That's a significant sign. And now you start to see here the on the MACD potentially the impulse or the momentum dropping. It's not very strong yet, so we need to observe it over the next few days. What is a bit concerning is that in terms of support, the 20 and the 50-day moving averages, which are down here in white and in orange, they are quite far away from the price. So to get there some initial support, the price could fall quite far. They are the 20-day moving average is at $30. That is another $8 drop. That's quite a bit for Cosmos until the price could find support there. Obviously they are going up, but they are still quite far away. It's quite overextended away from the price currently. So there's a trend line we could potentially draw. It's not a confirmed trend line yet, only 2 touch points. I think the price could come down, find here support at the $30 level. That would definitely be a support level together with this ascending trend line. So primarily, as you see on the chart, I would expect price drops for now. But again, there is no guarantee, no financial advice. But that is why I gave you the target area here. And so far, it seems to be working out. We'll keep track of it and see how it's going over the next few days. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update about Cosmos Atom. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.